Sunshine. Happy Thanksgiving, guys. Hello. It is well, the Thanksgiving was yesterday, but today is Friday. It's the 23rd and it's currently 11 and yeah, so earlier I got off work around 7 a.m. because I was working last night around 7 p.m. to 7 p.m. is like a 12 hours shift. So today I'm currently going to I'm going to Clarice's house, which is we are going to celebrate Friendsgiving. So yeah, so you're gonna meet Joy, her boyfriend, and EJ. So yeah, we're just gonna do like, you know, a little bit of like Friendsgiving, which, you know, stuff like that. I'm gonna head there now. It's very cold. It's 35 degrees outside. So yeah, I'm gonna go drive over to Clarice's house, and I think before I go there I need to stop by a Target first and pick up some things. And I'm really sleepy, you guys, so I don't know if I'm gonna do this and survive this because I haven't slept. I tried to take a nap earlier, but I don't know, I couldn't take a nap because I was taking care of some things. So anyway, yeah, I'm gonna vlog today, so yeah, I'll see you probably guys soon when I'm at her house. Hey guys, so like I said, I just picked up some stuff at Target. I already ordered it online, so I just like literally just pick it up at the store. So anyway, I am going to, guys, I'm here already. I'm just waiting on her because she went out and picked up some food, I believe, and we were still waiting on Joy and EJ and her boyfriend. So I'm just here in the car. I'm gonna wait for them, and it's really cold and I feel so sleepy, so that's why I got a Red Bull just to keep me up. I'm so tired. And I also got Joy. This has been sitting around in the house for like, I don't even know. So anyway, I got her some gifts. So I'm gonna give her, well, you know what, I'm gonna let her show it to you guys. But yeah, I got her some goodies. That's for her birthday, late birthday present. So yeah, oh, I'm gonna show you what I got at Target. So here it is, my socks. Anyway, when was that? Wednesday, I believe, last Wednesday. Today is Friday, so Wednesday my husband got a dentist appointment, and then I was with him, so I dropped him off. I was driving, so I dropped him off at the dentist place, and then I went to Target because, you know, I don't want to just wait over there and sit. So I went to Target and I saw this boot. It's ankle boot, and you guys, it was so funny because I was about to purchase this boot at last Wednesday, but he already called me and said like, baby, I'm done. So I'm just like, I didn't really get the chance to kind of like wear it, but I really actually like it. Yeah, I talk too much, so I'm gonna show it to you. It's just a simple I'm really doing it, huh? So it's just a simple boot. Like, this is like black, and yeah, and I really like it. And they were having a sale. I thought because there was like a sale sign, and I didn't thought that this was on the sales section, so I'm just like, yeah, I got like 15. I only paid for this like $15, so I save up like $14.99, almost $15. So that's really good. It's like, you know, blessings in disguise. So yeah, I'm in a size 7.5, 7 or 7.5, something like that. So this guy's really cute. But yeah, it's just this little cute boots, because it's already winter, fallish, whatever you call it. And some of my boots are like in the storage, So I have to get that and get that out of the storage. So see, like I said, the box is already messed up. It's because somebody was hiding it. So, yeah, that's for that mini quick haul at Target. So yeah, I'm just gonna wait for them because they're late. Filipino time, you guys. As always. Now I'm having energy, like literally I don't have sleep just but because of this Red Bull. I'm getting some energy. And I can't wait to eat. Like, I'm really hungry. I didn't eat, like, food. Like, I'm waiting for my food.
I love you, boy, if you only knew. Naiinis na ako sa'yo.
silang dalawa mag-friendsgiving. So,
For you.
she's gonna give me some ham.
Lechong Cebu.
Tapos ano, yung spaghetti. Ito na yung sauce.
Ito yung spaghetti mo?
Oh, yeah. So, this is the sauce. Filipino style.
Yeah.
So,
And
tapos ano,
Tarkre.
si tarkre, yung mga tarkre. Yan. Yan.
Pasakay ko na.
Yan. Shrimp.
You know that I love.
Oh my god, look at that. Beloved. Nagli-lipstick pa po si Madam. Busy pa po, oh. Yon. Say hi, Madam. Yon. Nandito kami sa mall. Guys, since our lovely friend didn't just me. Hindi kami sinipot ni Joy, no? You know?
Yeah.
Buying to. Anyway, we are going.
Stress shopping na lang kami.
Yes. Ano na kami kanina? Nag-stress eating na kami kanina. Ngayon stress shopping. Kasi Black Friday. So, yeah. Yeah. Ang ginero. Punta kami sa ano, Sephora. Tingnan namin if meron silang kaganapang na. Kasi ano Black Friday.
Dami yung tao.
Shit. Guys, come here at Sephora. Go shop. Where is she? Guys, it's so much traffic. That's Clarice right there. That's my bebe. We are going to Ulta since Sephora is just way too packed and they don't really have sales, so we're going to Ulta, which is over there. So I'm just, you know, I know where Ulta, but you know, I'm just following her. Yeah, they have Kylie. Meron silang singles dyan. Then ito yung ano, yung lip kit.
Yeah, yan yung lip. Bango ah.
Hey guys, so I just got home. Anyway, I'm sorry, this vlog is like literally all over the place. But yeah, like I seen earlier. Hold on, I'm sorry. We stopped by Ulta and Sephora. So let me show you what I got from Sephora. I just got one thing from Sephora. I got these Kat Von D Sinner perfume. I do have the like the roller with this one just to test out, and then I ended up liking it, so I got the big bottle. So this is from Kat Von D and it really smells so good. I know my husband just got me a Versace perfume. I will show it to you guys. Hold on. So this is right here. This is the Sinner. And how do you open this? And I like it. It's red inside. I like that packaging. And oh my god, you guys, look how beautiful is this packaging. It is so, excuse me for my ratchet nails, but oh, it's so pretty, huh? Yeah, and it smells so freaking good. Oh, I'm so happy I got the bigger bottle. And I will show you the gift that my husband got me. And also we went to Ulta, which is I just got one product over there, which is this Kylie liquid lipstick in the shade Shook. Right there. I don't know if you guys can see, but this is how it looks like. right there. And this is the shade Shook, 'cause they do have singles, and they also carry the whatchamacallit, the lipstick with the lip liner, like the set. So all right, let me get the perfume that my husband got me. Anyway, you guys, so he got me this philosophy Graceful Do It. This is the spray fragrance duo right here. I posted a video of this on Instagram. If you don't follow me on Instagram, I will leave it in the description box below. So in this box right here, it says worth of $40 value, but they only sell it for $20. So you got two different perfume, which is, this is the just a regular Amazing Grace, and this is the Amazing Grace Ballet Rose, which is my favorite out of this two. Yeah, it smells really good. And also he also got me the Versace perfume. I don't know if that's how you pronounce it. Versace. So yeah, this is the Versace. This is one of his wedding anniversary gift. So right there, that's the box right there. It's really nice. So let's see, let me just open it, like unbox it. So you guys, look at this. It's super elegant, like very expensive looking. We get the small one, and you get the bigger size. So look at that details over there. I really like that. And it's yellow, and it smells so freaking good. I was about to pick the Chanel, the Coco Chanel, but they don't have it in the full size, and I think they were out of stock. So probably next time I'll probably get the number 5 Coco Chanel. That's, you know, I'll probably get that next time. But yeah, this is the Versace, and this is I believe 100. How much did he pay for this? 158. So for the two of this, so yeah, he got this at Belk. It's like a store where we live at, Belk. So I think that is it. And also Clarice gave me spaghetti, and also turkey, and a ham, and a chicken barbecue, I believe, and my husband is now eating it. That's supposed to be my food, but he's literally right now eating it. But I'm gonna be eating the spaghetti, which that's literally my favorite. He really cooks good with the spaghetti. And yeah, so we were supposed to meet up with some of our friends, which is, I don't know, Joy, AJ, and Ray, but they just canceled for like the last minute. I don't know why. We've been trying to reach them out, but they're not responding. So yeah, she ended up cooking a lot of food, but you know, they just canceled for the last minute. But and then me, I didn't even sleep for like, literally, it's been 24 hours now that I've been up. Like, I haven't slept since yesterday, like Thursday, because I woke up around 5 something, like 5:30ish, something like that, and it's now 6:25. Like literally, work 7 p.m. to 7 a.m. I came home, and then I was about to take a nap, but I took a nap like 30 minutes, but I can't really close my eyes for some reason. So I went ahead and shower, and you know, get my stuff together, stuff like that, and then, you know, decided to come over there. But yeah, we're supposed to be having like a good time, but it's okay. Maybe they have reasons, but it's okay. So anyway, that is it for this vlog, you guys. So yeah, I'm gonna be working tomorrow too, so I really need to just clean my studio room and do some laundry and stuff, because I have to work tomorrow at 7 p.m. it's another 12-hour shift again. So anyway, yeah, I do a lot of talkings, right? But anyway guys, that is it for today's video. By the way, at the end of December, or like in Christmas or something like that, I'm already working on my giveaway. So yeah, stay tuned with that, because I'm doing a giveaway by the end of this year. So yeah, make sure you subscribe to my channel and like this video. Yeah, and comment down below if you like this vlog. Anyway, thank you Clarice for thank you for the food and everything. I'm so grateful for you, and you know that. So anyway, I had a good time, but yeah, I'm gonna go to sleep. Adios, bye.